What's good, everybody? Crypto God NYC here, back with another tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to bridge Ethereum to SUI. So the first thing you need to do is download a MetaMask, send over some Ethereum over there, and then you need to download the SUI wallet, SUI space wallet. Alright, once you got those two things, you could start connecting. So first thing we're going to do is connect our MetaMask. Let me see if I remember my password. That's not password. Alright, so this is the password. Alright, boom, connect. Alright, we connected our MetaMask wallet. Now I'm going to connect my SUI wallet. Pretty easy. Connect. Alright, how much do I want to bridge? We're gonna do 103. Nah, we're gonna do 103.5. 035. 0.035. Nah, 0.03. Yeah, let's just do this. Alright. I'm Indian, so I gotta be a little cheap. Alright, bet. This is perfect. $99.48. Alright, bet. So the gas fee is not that bad, as you can see right here, but I think, let's see what happens. Boom, click confirm. Yeah, the gas fee was very cheap. Very cheap gas fee. Alright, we submitted a transaction, close the extension, just wait for it. Alright, a little bit of waiting. While you're doing that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Alright, now we have to verify the transaction, then click claim, and then deliver. So I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, and we can see that our gas fee was sponsored. Wow, that's amazing. So transaction completed. Let's check our SUI wallet to see if we got the funds. 1 second. Yes, and now we have the funds. Amazing, guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe again. Appreciate you for watching the video, and hope to see you next time.